How to add new fonts in Microsoft Word. In order to add new fonts in Microsoft Word, the first thing that we gotta do is to download the new font that we want to have on our Microsoft Word. So let's first open up the browser and go to DAF Fonts and open up dapple.com. It provides you access to tons of fonts to use in Microsoft Word. So if you have specific font type that you want to add in Microsoft Word, you can search it from here. Make sure to check the license terms too. If it is a paid version, you have to pay certain amount for the fonts, and then only you will be able to download the font. But now I'm gonna go with free font. So let's download the Samantha signature. Click on download, and the zip file is downloaded. Go to downloads, click on zip file and extract all, and you can see Samantha signature.odf file. Double click and tap on install. The font is installed. Now let's open Microsoft Word. Now in order to test the font that we have just installed, let's change font and search for the font that we have just installed and hit enter. And you can see the font is in use. And this is exactly the font that we have just installed. And in this way you can add new fonts in Microsoft Word. And if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment.